Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So in this device I already enabled the menu in this device. You can see this is the accessibility shortcut menu. I already enabled this accessibility shortcut menu in this device. You can move this menu anywhere on the device, anywhere on the screen. So let me show you how to enable this one. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on additional settings. Then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one, then tap on accessibility menu. Then we need to turn on this option. Okay, turn on. Hello. Okay, now you can see the menu is here. If you tap on this one, you will get lots of shortcuts you will get from here. You can see volume down, volume up, the recent app. If you tap on this recent app, now you can see recently open application. You can see here. If you tap on the volume up, you can see the volume is increasing. If you tap on volume down, you can see the volume is decreasing. So simply in this way you can enable the accessibility shortcut menu in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.